Something that I also often hear is that companies tell us that they are interested in monorepos, they heard a bunch of positive things, and they would like to adopt it, but they simply don't have time. Because their assumption is that they need to block weeks or months where they would basically halt the entire development until they do a full migration. And all those that ever tried migrating between different languages or technologies remember how painful it was and how long the process was. But the reality is that migrating to monorepos doesn't have to and should not have to be a big bang. We can start with a single repo, turn on the monorepo tooling, then import another repository while making sure that we bring also the entire full Git history so that you don't lose any information on how the code was created. And you can, in the beginning, treat them as basically still two separate repositories, but collocated in the same physical Git repository. And as you start adding piece by piece, for example, bunch of shared libraries or few services. When you have enough things gathered, you can start thinking about standardization, alignment, creating joint pipelines, joint tasks, joint targets. And on top of that, you don't have to place everything in the same monorepo. Not everyone is Google. You can have several monorepos that are just tangentially connected, and that might create actually better results.